I like these. I like these with this silver background. Top's nice, yeah. You guys are killing it here. Awesome art. Yeah, very inspiring. Heck yeah.
3 Arizona stickers, one of the artist stickers, the pen, and this little cactus.
Gotcha. Alright.
Great little souvenir.
Yes.
And then can I get some pop on it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What a variety.
Did you want anything?
You got some good
Should we
stickers.
bring some art?
Those are nice, huh?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Cash. You paying?
Yeah, yeah. You paid for the claw machine.
Did you?
No, we did it. Have you ever seen anybody get anything out of that?
Actually, a lot.
Yeah.
It's good. It is.
The claw's big. The claw's big, yeah.
Really good.
And I think the key is to go for the stuff by the hole. So even if you don't pick it up, it'll push it into the hole, right? That's what I was thinking. Even if the claw doesn't grab it, just try to move it. Move it towards the hole, yep.
Oh, no, that's okay.
I actually can't take personal photos.
Right, I did think so. Yeah, this cup is fine. I think it's half full, so that will top it off.
Wow. That's killer.
Do they have your Arizona iced tea here?
I think they discontinued it.
Oh, really?
The diet one,
The
yeah.
iced
They
tea
got
with
yerba
lemon
though, that's cool.
flavor.
Good old
I
yerba.
remember drinking that green tea one a lot. Oh yeah, they do have your yerba.
Good old yerba. Clean cause.
Yerba mate. Let's get some olives.
Yeah, I better get.
Oh, these are the
How much are the yerba? Couple bucks, $3?
The little green energies, they are $5 actually.
Okay, the clean, okay. Maybe I'll get one.
We're going to Sedona.